The outer join. What is an outer join? As you can see here, it states that the rows resulting in the join from the select statement are the rows matching each other plus some rows not matching. What this means ultimately is the outer join will select from one table and match everything from another table, plus it will select elements from one of the tables or both of the tables not matching in the other. Take this example for instance. I've taken a part of the category table and I've matched it with the show table based on the ID of the category ID. As you can see on the left, I have categories 33 and 34. On the right, I have a list of shows with category IDs of 33. An outer join between the category table and the show table would actually give me IDs 33 and 34. The result is that we have all the shows for category 33 plus a category 34 with no show date. An outer join selects data from the category and the show which match, plus any records from the category table which do not match. In other words, categories that do not exist in the show table. As you can see, we have 34 ski passes, which is not evident in the show table on the right. Let's get to the details. There are different types of outer join. The first one we're going to look at is a left outer join. If you remember the previous diagram where we looked at a natural join, which was an intersection between sets, here we have an intersection plus the part that is in one set and not in the other. That's the left outer join. Here we have two examples of left outer joins. The first one is the Oracle proprietary format, and the second one is the ANSI standard format. As you can see, the Oracle format has a little plus sign in parentheses. This plus sign will always appear on the side deficient in information. What this means is that I have more categories than I have shows, and the shows do not use all the categories. Therefore, I have some categories without shows. So the left outer join would actually pull all the categories regardless of whether they had a show or not. The same applies to the ANSI format. Let's go and do some examples. Let's do a join between the category and the show table to start with. I'm also going to set my column name format to 25 characters so I can see things across the screen. So let's paste this first query. This is a natural join or an intersection between the category and show tables based on the category ID. I have 147 rows. Now let's do an outer join or a left outer join between the category and the show table. This is the same as the example I previously shown here. I'm going to copy and paste this into SQL Plus, and now I get 174 rows returned. Note how Ski Passes has no show date. It basically has no information for the show table. Now let's do the same query but in the ANSI format.